Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert an SD card to your Motorola Moto G14. For that you need to go ahead and open the SIM card slot, and that's on the side here, and we're going to take our simple paper clip, or you can use your SIM card ejector, whatever you have on hand, and then take that out. And here we have our SIM card, and now I'm going to take my SD card and put that in as well. So now we only have space for another SIM card, and we're gonna put the whole thing back in the phone. And now we need to go ahead and unlock our SIM card again, and now we're back in the phone. And if we go to our settings and go to storage, we have this device, and then we also have SanDisk SD card, so you can now fill that up and store your stuff on there. So that's how you can insert a SD card to your Motorola Moto G14. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.